Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this cotton candy look inspired by the song Cotton Candy Skies written by Sean Bolton. I love that song so much, it puts me in a nice chill mood and it's really calming to listen to. So without further ado, if I want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So since most of my look is going to be on my cheeks, I'm going to start out with the face today. So first let's prime using the Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going in with the ColourPop No Filter foundation stick in the shade 07 Neutral. I'm going to blend that out using my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of the face using the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Pharaoh 2. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Alright, so now I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the eyes. I'm going to begin by priming my eye using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm applying this with an M427 brush. Now I'm going to buff it out using an M173 brush. First, using an M152 brush, I'm going to pack bubblegum right on the inner third of my lid. Now, right next to that, I'm going to blend in Gumdrop. And now next to that, I'm going to add Brain Freeze on that same brush. Now I'm just going back in with each of the colors until I'm happy with the blending and intensity. Now using different fluffy brushes, I'm going to put bubblegum, Brain Freeze, and Gumdrop all over my face in different areas to create a nice sunset cloudy sky look. Alright, using an M441, I'm going to put bubblegum right on my cheeks. I don't really have any certain placement with this, I'm just going to go with the flow. Now I'm going to use Good Morning to blend the colors into my skin. First I'm going to line my waterline using a white jumbo eye pencil. Now I'm going to create clouds using my M421 brush and the BH Cosmetics white concealer. I'm going to add the rest of the clouds and I'll be right back. I'm done adding the clouds to my face. I'm going to add a few more on my lid and we might add some stars too. Now I'm going to take an M152 brush and just pat the color that is underneath the cloud right underneath them to make it blend together. So for this one I'm going to do blue, this one also blue, this one pink, this one purple, and just so on. Alright, I decided against the stars, so I'm just going to jump right into the inner corner highlight and glow and just make everything nice and shiny. So I'm going to go into the Morphe 39S palette and I'm going to use Oh Yas. So using a Morphe 431 brush, I'm going to wet it and then apply Oh Yas to my inner corner and wherever I feel like it needs it. I'm also going to put a little bit of Here For It on there as well. Now I'm going to apply both of those to my brow bone. Now for a little more highlight and a little less glitter, I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter Palette and use the shade Eternal. Right again on my inner corner and my highlight area. So my friend suggested that I do shooting stars, and I actually think that's a good idea. So I'm going to use these little holographic reflective stars and put 2 of them on my face and just make shooting stars. I'm going to be attaching them with some lash glue. Alright, using that lip brush and white concealer, I'm going to make the lines to make them actually look like shooting stars. Alright, now I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Since the main focus is just going to be on the cotton candy skies, I'm just going to lightly contour my face using an E4 brush and my Anastasia powdered contour kit. So for lips, I want a nice light pink color, so I'm going to mix Jeffree Star's Diva with a little bit of that white concealer, but first I'm going to line them using the NYX lip liner in the shade Helsinki. Now I'm going to tap that white concealer just on the center. Now I'm going to take that white BH Cosmetics highlighter shade and put that right on my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to be applying this to the tip of my nose as well. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!